Hello, today I want to talk to you guys about how to get your business buried in a tremendous amount of paperwork and also unnecessary wasted expense. My name is James, I'm the founder of TrustArt, and what we're going to talk about today is an alternative to your conventional business organizations, that is the corporations and LLCs. So what we're going to do is go through a case history. And this has to do with a client that was in contact with us that was interested in finding out more about how trusts work. And this guy's from the Bay Area up in Northern California. I'm actually in St. Helena right now. And so what we did with this guy was we said, okay, what are all your different assets and how have you got them titled? Well, it turns out that he had already sort of done that with this wealth advisor. And the wealth advisor had advised that he use a maze of different corporations and LLCs. He had laundromats, he had rental houses, he had investment accounts, he had his personal accounts. And so what they were trying to do was to figure out what would be the most efficient relative to taxes and also liability protection. And so he came to us. He actually got one of the books that we had published about the incorporation, about a business trust. And then we did the follow-up on the questions for him. And so we went back and looked at all the material that his wealth advisor had recommended and said, we can eliminate probably about a dozen of those different corporations and LLCs, and also the franchise taxes. One of the things we have here in California is you get $800 a year you got to pay for each one of those business organizations, whether it's a corporation or LLC. Then you have to do the minutes and you have to do the meetings, and if you don't do all that stuff, then of course you've got the bail risk. So what we were trying to do was to minimize all that and also get him the limited liability. So we did all that. We recommended that this guy's use a variety of different business trusts and also the real estate land trust. And they're much easier, they're much faster, they're much more economical than any corporation or LLC that you're ever going to get. Plus with the corporations and LLCs, if there's a name that you'd like, you have to see if that name has already been taken. It's not an issue with a business trust or a real estate land trust. You just pick whatever one you want. And so we went through all this with him and we gave him our recommendations, and it saved him probably somewhere in the neighborhood of about $11,000 each and every year. And that is going with the trust structures rather than the corporations and LLCs. So he was very, very happy with it. And so what I'm trying to do is just kind of give you an example, a real life example of someone that has got some assets, has been at it for a number of years, and was looking at how to get everything titled right. So if you're not doing this, I would recommend that you look at business trusts. You also look at real estate land trusts. They're very, very effective tools for holding title. The other thing that you get with them that you will never get with the corporation or LLC is that you get a tremendous amount of privacy and anonymity because of the fact that there's no registration with the Secretary of State. There's no resident agent. So you're completely off the radar screen. And so this guy was really thrilled about that too, in addition to saving all the time and the money and everything else. So that's kind of my words for today. Go out and do it. Go find them, get the thing, get your stuff retitled, get your stuff off the radar screen, save yourself some money. If you'd like our help, come and talk to us. Again, my name is James, the founder at TrustArt and TrustArt Solutions. And click on the link below if you want more information, or go to our website, TrustArt Solutions. That's it. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it. And you're welcome to share this with anybody you feel might find it useful. See you later.